Have you ever wondered what happens when individuals commit truly horrific international crimes, but their own country cannot or will not hold them accountable? These are often crimes that shake the very foundations of human dignity and global peace. It can feel like justice is out of reach for victims and that perpetrators can simply escape the consequences of their actions. Universal jurisdiction is a crucial legal principle that directly counters this problem of impunity. It allows any state to investigate and prosecute individuals for certain grave international crimes, such as war crimes, crimes against humanity, genocide, and torture, regardless of where the crimes were committed or the nationality of the perpetrator or the victim. The fundamental reason universal jurisdiction exists is the recognition that certain atrocities are so severe they are considered offenses against all humankind. These are not merely crimes against a single state or its citizens, but an assault on the shared values and moral order of the entire international community. Because of this, every state has a legitimate interest and, in many cases, a binding obligation to bring the perpetrators of such crimes to justice, thereby upholding the principle that there should be no safe haven for those who commit these terrible acts. In practice, universal jurisdiction typically comes into play when a suspected perpetrator of these crimes is found within the territory of a state that has enacted universal jurisdiction laws. This state can then initiate proceedings against them, even if neither the alleged crime nor the alleged offender has any direct link to that particular country. It acts as a jurisdiction of last resort, ensuring that national legal systems can step in when traditional territorial or nationality-based jurisdictions cannot or will not provide accountability. This mechanism is underpinned by the essential legal principle of aut dedire, aut judicare, which translates to extradite or prosecute. This means a state, upon apprehending an individual accused of such crimes, must either hand them over to another state willing to prosecute them or prosecute them itself. It fills critical gaps left by national courts or specialized international tribunals, providing an additional layer of accountability for the most egregious human rights violations. Ultimately, universal jurisdiction plays a vital role in dismantling the belief that perpetrators of grave international crimes can act without consequence. By empowering states worldwide to act as guardians of international law, it strengthens global justice mechanisms, ensures that some of the worst criminals face their day in court, and reinforces the fundamental idea that nobody is above the law when it comes to crimes that shock the conscience of humanity.